If your child holds a pencil like this, or like this, or this, or even like this, and you have been correcting them and nothing has changed, not to worry. In this video, I'll teach you step-by-step guide on how to fix your child's pencil grip without fighting with them. If it sounds like something you want to correct, a problem you want to solve, you have to watch this video to the very end to get the solution to that pencil grip problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Blossoming Mindset YouTube channel. If this is the first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, I greet you specially. My name is Messi. You can call me Auntie Teacher. In this video, I will be teaching you or be talking to you about how to help your child develop great pencil grip. So, how to fix poor pencil grip in children. If your child's handwriting is messy, slow, painful, or that child avoids writing altogether, the problem is not intelligence. The problem is pencil grip. So in this video, I'll show you why children have poor pencil grip. I'll show you the mistake, the biggest mistake you as a parent or even a teacher or an adult in the life of these children, the biggest mistake you are making when it comes to pencil gripping. I'll also teach you the right way, the correct pencil grip that would facilitate neat and beautiful handwriting in your child. And the bonus tip in this video that you do not want to miss is that I'll show you simple day-to-day activities that you can do at home, yes, from the comfort of your home, that would help your little one develop proper pencil grip, that will fix that poor pencil grip naturally. This is the part where we get to talk about why children have poor pencil grip. Children use the wrong pencil grip because, number one, the muscles of their fingers are still weak. Their fine motor skills are yet to be properly developed, so they're not ready to write. Number two, most children were never taught how to actually hold a pencil correctly. Nobody actually modeled the right grip of pencil to them, and we expected them to do well. How? Okay. Number three, we are too much in a hurry. That's why most children start writing way too early before their pencil grip is actually developed. They start to write way too early. A 2-year-old has no business writing numbers 1 to 20, 1 to 50 yet. Please, slow down. Calm down. Mommies and daddies, even teachers, calm down, okay? No competition in this. Build the muscles of their fingers first. And number four, they compensate with their whole hands. That's why you see a child gripping pencil like this. You see? So they have to strain their wrists, their palm, their fingers, everything just to write. So shouting, hold it properly will not fix it. You have to. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake parents make. Some parents take pencil and then they keep pushing it into the hands of a child, like forcing the pencil into the hand of the child. And then this will only result into frustration. You or the child will get frustrated. Hand pain, their wrists, their palm, their fingers will start to hurt. And then they'll develop unnecessarily tight grip, such that they have to be pleading with them to release their fingers when writing. And then eventually, the child just develops resistance to writing, doesn't even feel like writing, and is always afraid of writing time. So instead of focusing on that tight grip, focus on building the muscles of the fingers before you train them with pencil. Now let me show you how to fix your child's pencil grip without a pencil. For the next 7 days, hide those pencils and do these activities instead. Number one, Play-Doh pinching. In my previous video, I showed you how to make Play-Doh at home if you cannot buy. So please watch the previous video to see how to make Play-Dohs at home. They keep pinching Play-Dohs, forming different shapes with Play-Dohs. Next is to pick tiny objects. This helps with their pencil grip. Can you see what I'm doing? Let them pick tiny objects like rice, beans, grains, different grains. Let them pick tiny objects. This will help strengthen the muscles of their fingers. Then you can also do clothes pegging. Clothes pegging activity like this. They pick, open, drop. Pick, open, drop. Clothes pegging activity. Next thing they can do is tearing of paper. You see those papers you want to trash. Let them tear the paper. As simple as this looks, it's powerful and it will definitely help the child to develop the muscles of their fingers. Paper tearing activity, Play-Doh pinching, picking tiny objects, pegging activity, and much more pre-writing activities I talked about in my previous video. You really need to watch that video to learn more about pre-writing activities. Here's what a correct pencil grip looks like. So you pick up a pencil this way, pinch with the thumb, index finger, and the middle finger. Pinch. The fingers should be relaxed, not tight or squeezed. So they go to the tip of the pencil, pinch, and then grip. This is the right pencil grip. Okay? Another thing you should notice that you can also get pencil grips like this. Put the pencil right in here. Okay? And then get them to place the fingers the right way. The thumb here, the index finger, the middle finger. Using this often would help correct it. It worked for my child, it works. Try it and you say, if you need this, it's available on the Blossoming Minds Hub online store. Another point is use short pencils and crayons. This is really important. Don't use long stationery yet. Short pencils and crayons would help. So they're not too long for them to move around as they write. Short pencils and crayons. Break the pencils into two. Sharpen the ends and let them use it like that. Short pencils and crayons. So here is the right way to grip pencil. The pencil should be resting, not tight, not squeezed. Let them rest. Release the tightness and grip properly. So if you don't have access to pencil grip, the design I showed you earlier, or you have a string at home, hair string like this, not rubber band that will hurt their fingers, hair string. So take the string, put it around the three fingers that will be used to form the tripod grip, right? Take your pencil, go this way. So we go this way, that way, from the middle, go backwards and this way. Then let them put the pencil right this way, okay? And rest the other fingers like that. This will help control the grip of the pencil. Remember, relaxed fingers, relaxed posture, let them explore as they work. If you're yet to subscribe to the Blossoming Minds Hub YouTube channel, why haven't you done so? Please subscribe for more tips like this. Subscribe and I'll be sure to give you value for your data and time. Okay? I'm rooting for you. The next thing to check is your child's sitting position. This is often ignored, so please do not ignore it. Bad posture often leads to wrong pencil grip or poor handwriting. Now, the first thing you do is to ensure that your child's feet are flat on the floor. Feet flat on the floor. The table to the chest level should be there. You know, the table should be at the chest level of your child. And then you slant the paper slightly before they start writing. Don't just keep the paper straight and they start bending. They might even develop body pain. So slant the paper slightly and then they can write. Do not ignore your child's sitting position when they're writing. When this is fixed, you've made progress. If your child is already in primary school, I have good news for you and I have bad news. The good news is that poor pencil grip can still be fixed. The bad news is you have to be patient because I know a lot of you just want the child to write. It will take 2 to 3 weeks of constant practice for that child's poor pencil grip to be corrected. Daily practice. So what should you do? Number 1, finger play, like the child is in preschool or kindergarten. Then number 2, the pinch and flip practice, pinch and flip. Then they should use number 3, short crayons and pencils so that there's the grip would be stronger and there's no pull on the fingers while they write. In closing, I'll leave you with this. If your child has poor pencil grip, do not scold that child. What that child needs is encouragement, your love. Okay? So what you have to do is to be patient and know that poor pencil grip is not laziness. It is not stubbornness. It is just muscle weakness that can be fixed with consistent practice, patience, and encouragement. So, no scolding, just love and encouragement from here. If this video has been helpful to you, which I believe it has been helpful to you, I need you to like, share, comment the next topic you'd like me to treat. That pinpoint you want me to handle, comment it in the comment section and I'll be sure to deal with it for you. Okay? Like, share, give me a thumbs up on this one, subscribe, tell your family and friends about the Blossoming Minds Hub YouTube channel. Thank you for watching up until this point. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.